Yeah, it's about that time. Time for me, you, and 16 teams to rock out. The plot is thick, the characters strong. The only thing left to do, write the story. This is hunger. This is hype. This is the NBA playoffs.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video, we're going to open not one, but two packs. One pack is the playoff pack release 2, and the other pack is the base set release 42, which is the stress test pack. So, come on guys, let's open these packs.
Round 2, fight!
So let's check in the marketplace how much this first round and second round playoff moments. So Norman Powell lowest ask is $9 and top sale is $565. For Chris Paul, lowest ask $46 and top sale is $300. So that's it guys, thanks for watching and see you on my next video.